Here we go. Little prelim on getting ready to do that floor. Like I said I was going to do. Took the week off, so worked on it today. Got some X braces in. Good and solid. Gonna have to cut that main brace out there on both sides, so braced up the back. That floor will be coming out of there tomorrow, guys. Show you how I'm going to support the body. Sacrifice some jack stands. Just some 1x1, 125 quarter wall. Or eighth wall, sorry. Put it across. Welded it. Using the welder. Everybody wants to know how that welder works. Welder works great. So there'll be one there. The back is already in and supported. We're just a little beat for today. So there'll be one there supporting the back. It already works great. We actually lowered the front down, broke all the mounts loose. That bar doesn't bend. Nothing. Supports it real nice. So once I get the back one in, I'm gonna run 2 bars connecting the two, so there's no chance of tipping it over, and that will be what holds this body for the next little while. When I get the floors, rockers, everything in, everything fitted, all the body work done on it. Here's all the panels. I mean, there's the floor waiting to go in. I mean, I got panels just lined up everywhere around here for this thing. So there's panels, there's a motor all wrapped up because it's pretty much buttoned up. Don't want to get it all dirty. And as you can see, I'm not working in a huge space here, but there it is. I said that floor was going in this week. It's a little pre-game stuff here for you. We got it all braced up. We'll be cutting it out tomorrow or Monday, depending on the wife's plans for me. But it's coming, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button. I see a lot of guys watching but not hitting the like. I need to know you guys like what I'm posting. Thanks a lot. Bye.